Welcome to How to Exercise. We're your hosts. Buff Man, Buff Shorts, and this is Flathead. Welcome to our movie with our professional exercise. We're going to teach you how to exercise ultimately.
But let's start off some
exercising.
Like squats.
Squat and thrust. Squat and thrust. Squat and thrust. Enough. Now let's move on to our machines. We're going to show you not to do these intense speeds. Remember, we are professionals. Remember. May not look like I'm moving, but I am. Watch. Look at my legs. How can I be moving? Okay, now, backwards. The stretcher. The surfer. Now it's time for Brandon. His amazing workout skills.
Look, I'm going forward. Now I'm going backwards.
Oh, now show him your pro skills. You're one-legged bouncer.
Oh yeah. Now we're getting something. Oh yeah.
Enough. Now we must. What must we do? We must show you how fast this thing can do. Going up. What?
What's that for?
Yeah. My heart rate, I burned 11.4 calories.
Let's see what it looks like.
Too intense for you. Now watch us going down. What is that? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's inclined?
Do you feel yourself going up a hill?
I can't do this here. Sorry. What? What? No. Okay, I'm good.
And there's Brandon. The calm.
Didn't even break a sweat.
Go back in again.
You're gonna film Brandon. I need to go get some water. Not that I need it.
That was them.